Let me show you how to view your activity log or your transaction details inside of Wise. If you have a lot of transactions or transfers or activities inside of Wise, you can easily track all of them by heading over to the transaction sections. On the home page of your Wise app, you'll see a section called transactions. Now, I currently do not have any transactions inside of this Wise account, but if you do, you can see all of your transactions or your activities in this section. You can also tap on see all to look at all of the transactions and also select from different types or sort them out. Through this section, you can take a look at the payments that you make, the payments that you receive, and the status of your payment as well. You can track the individual status of the payment so that you can exactly know when the payment is going to be made or is going to be received on your Wise account. So that's all there is to view the activity log inside of Wise. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.